Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades, and I am working today on this 18 by 24 canvas, and I have already given it a coat of gesso for the technique that I want to use. Need it to be a little bit smoother, and so I'm going to be using this Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Black and Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White. This is Liquitex Phalo Green. And this is Deco Art Mind's Mysterious. Then I have this Liquitex Blue Violet. And I mixed it with iridescent medium. And then I have the Artist Loft Brilliant Magenta. And I also mixed it with the iridescent medium. And then Deco Art Extreme Sheen 24 karat gold. And this technique, I first saw it done. It's called a double Dutch pour. Woodworking and Painting in Faith. If you have never watched her channel, do yourself a favor and go check her out. That's my shout out for this video. I'll leave her link in the description below. She has some amazing pour pieces that she has done, and she uses this technique quite a bit, and I just love it. So I wanted to give it a try because I've done the regular Dutch pours, but this is just a little bit different. It's the same principle, but she starts out by pouring a little bit around the edges and making sure that the sides are coated. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try to follow what she did. And I'm going to start with the Phalo green, and she pours it right across the middle instead of doing a little small puddle in the corner or whatever. She pours across. She does it at the middle, and I've seen her do it at the bottom, but it's all just gorgeous. So next is the Brilliant Magenta. And then I'm going to go with the Blue Violet. And then we'll go with the Mysterious. This is a gorgeous, shimmery, deep kind of turquoise color. And we'll top that off with the 24 karat gold. I'm going to take the white and I'm going to pour it at the top of this puddle of paint. And then I'll take the black and put it at the bottom, all the way across. Got my handy dandy blow dryer, and I'm going to just start blowing this way first. A lot of paint on this canvas. I really like the way that looks, but I gotta come back the other way. I really like the feathery look that you get from blowing this out in this manner. I think the Dutch pours are beautiful anyway, and this right here, I just love the way that looks. I do have quite a lot more black on here than I had anticipated having, but and I thought when I was going to stretch it was to try to pull out some of that pink and that blue, violet, and gold that's under there, but it was starting to move that design with that feathered look, and I didn't want to lose that. This is the dried version. Take you in for a close-up, and you really can't see, the lighting is not what I need it to be to show you that shimmer of that extreme sheen gold, but there is certain ways the light hits it, you can see that flash of metallic gold over the design. And this cell is popping through, and the lacy look from the, I call it the feathery look right there, and still having the gold and the pink and that blue violet popping through, and just little hints of it. I think it's gorgeous. And I am going to be doing this technique again, and maybe use a little bit less black so my colors will pop more. So if you have enjoyed this video, please click like and share. And if you have any comments or questions or suggestions of colors or paintings that you'd like to see me do, leave it below in the comment section. I love to read your feedback. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click that subscribe button and ring the bell. You'll be notified of videos when I upload them. And I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to check out Woodworking and Painting in Faith. It'd be worth your time. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.